Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic, and today I'm unboxing the Allure beauty box. And this is my very last Allure beauty box. What I did was I got a year subscription, and it was a special price, and it came with extra freebies and stuff like that. So I went ahead and thought I would try it for a year. I enjoyed it. I thought it was a fair value, especially with the deal that I got. But I do have a lot of skincare. It comes with a lot of skincare, and I ended up having a lot of skincare backups now because I've been having this box. So I don't feel like I need to keep continuing with this box, especially since I do Ipsy and BoxyCharm as well. So let's get into unboxing this. So it comes with this little booklet, and the booklet has information on all the items, and there's a couple items that you might get or you might not get, but everything is in here. This is something, a little literature about boosters, which tells you what they are and how to use them. And also how to use, what to use together. So that's kind of cool. It says don't use vitamin C with alpha hydroxy, like glycolic or lactic acids, and use everything in this order. So that's kind of neat, so that you know that you're not using two things that don't work together. Okay, and then let's get into the items, because that's what we're interested in. So Mud Masky, I guess it's Mud Masky. Unless it's Mud Masky. I don't think it's that. It's a serum infused eye mask that reduces dark circles, puffy eyes, fine wrinkles, dry skin, and swelling. So if this works, I mean, I don't know if it will. I feel like dark circles come from within. So, you know, you need to get a lot of sleep and hydrate, be healthy, and it's also your diet, and it's also your genetics. I have dark circles. I've always had a lot of darkness. I've covered it up with corrector and concealer, but you can probably still see the darkness. It's pretty dang dark on me. And it is, you know, I haven't been healthy because I've been sick for a year. It's been a year like now that I've been sick, with long hauler stuff. But I've been getting better. My blood pressure is normal. A lot of my other stuff has been tested normal, so I'm doing better. But I do have dark circles. I know some of it's sleep, some of it's diet, and some of it is genetic. So I don't know if I'm ever going to get rid of my dark circles. And I don't know that, you know, putting stuff topically, I don't know if that helps. But I will try this and just see. The next thing in here is Vitamin C Brightening Booster. So this goes along with that literature to tell you how to use it and with what. And it's a full size. Is it 3 skin? I'm sorry, I don't know what the company name is. 111 skin. Anyway, you can see the bottle here. So you can see the bottle there. It's a vitamin C brightening booster. So it's cool. I know the vitamin C is good for your skin. And then we have Pixie by Petra. It's a lip glow tinted lip balm. I do have 2 tinted lip balms that I'm using right now. But I love lip balm. And actually it looks pretty easy. And you know what? Is this broken? No. Forgive me. It is not broken. I just took a little minute to like start going. But it's a tinted lip balm. It's an easy to use push-up one. And I use lip balms constantly. Okay, the next thing in here is Double Act Shadow Stick. This is Ico, is it? I think it's Ico. It's got brown. It's got brown and brown. No, dusk, and which is a darker brown, and dawn, which is the less dark brown. a less darker brown. So that's nice. It's kind of like a one and done kind of item. Like you just do this, and then you're done. Especially if you're like going to work or going out really quickly kind of thing. And it looks like it, oh, this is cool. Comes with, I'm going to open this real quick. Comes with this little sharpener. So it's an Ico pencil that comes with a sharpener, and I can reuse this sharpener. And I like this because it has the catcher up on top. I have a lot of makeup sharpeners that just, you sharpen it and it just goes everywhere. You have to sharpen it over a wastebasket. And then there's a Hava Mineral Hand Cream, which I've used this before. It's pretty good. I feel like there's a lot of things in this box. The last thing is a Mild Facial Cleanser Clay Wash by B. Glenn. Right here. And then it's got information with it. So that's cool. So there's one, I mean this is one, but it feels like two because you can keep the sharpener forever, which is amazing. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus there's that special sharpener thing, making it kind of 7 items. So that's not bad. I really like this month's box. I am not unhappy with this at all. I just am not going to re-up because, like I said, I feel like I don't need it with the BoxyCharm and the Ipsy. I get the samples, I get the skincare, I get the makeup, the full-size makeup too. So I feel like I don't really need the Allure box, and I don't want to you know, pay for a new subscription when I feel like I have a lot of backup of skincare at the moment. So what do I think about the Allure box overall? I feel like it was heavy skincare. If you're interested in that kind of thing, you might be interested in it. But yeah, it was heavy skincare with less of an emphasis on makeup, as you can see in this box too. There's a lot of serums, a lot of moisturizers, things like that. I appreciate that because those things tend to be expensive, and getting them in a box is very affordable, especially one that's, I think when my price was well under 25 because I got a deal, but I think they're around 25 if you just get a month to month. But yeah, I really like it for skincare deals, and if you are looking for that, I think it's definitely worth it. If you're looking for like more makeup kind of things, I would stick to BoxyCharm. I think is better at the makeup. And anyway, that is my opinion of it, and I did enjoy getting it, but I think it's time to let it go. Let me know what you think of the Allure if you do get it, and if you have any questions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.